Good morning, my name is Lady May and I am from SMA 1 IPAA. Today, I am going to discuss about classifying systems of units. There are three categories of systems. The first one is MKS systems, which stands for meter, kilogram, and second. And the second one is CGS systems. In this system stands for centimeter, gram, and second. And the third one is FPS system. In this system, it stands for foot, pounds, and second. Now we are going to classify it into 9. So we will classify these three systems into 9. So the first quantities that we will going to classify is MKS systems. The MKS system distance is meter, and the mass is kilogram. Speed is meter per second. Acceleration will be meter per second square. Force weight will be kilogram meter per second square. Or you can also call it as Newton. The density is kilogram or meter cubic. Pressure, Newton per meter cubic, or you can also call it as Pascal. Work energy will be joule, or you can make it as Newton meter or kilogram meter cubic per second cubic. For power, there is watt, or you can make it as joule per second or kilogram meter square per second cubic. So the next quantities that we are going to discuss is CGS systems. In CGS system, the distance will be centimeter and the mass will be gram. The speed will be centimeter per square or per second square. In acceleration, the acceleration will be centimeter per the speed is centimeter per second. And the acceleration will be centimeter per second square. The force weight is gram centimeter per second square, or you can also call it as dyne. The density will be gram per centimeter cubic. The pressure is dyne per centimeter square. Work or energy will be Earth, or you can make it as dyne times centimeter, or gram centimeter square per second square. The power will be work per second, or gram centimeter square per second cubic. And the next quantity is FPS systems. The distance of FPS system will be feet, or the symbol is FT. Mass will be slug. The speed will be feet per second square. Acceleration will be, speed is feet per second square. Feet per second. Acceleration will be feet per second square. Force weight will be slug feet per second square, or you can call it as pound. Density will be slug per feet cubic, and the pressure will be pound per feet cubic. Work energy will be pound slug F feet square per second square. And the power will be feet equals to pound per second, or slug feet square per second cubic. So the first examples the first one is 2.75 kilometer per minute to FPS systems. First, you need to change from kilometer to meter. So it's like 75 meter per minute, and then 1 kilogram. And then you will need to change from meter to feet, because FPS systems, it's feet, it's not meter. So 1 meter it's equals to 3.28 feet. For 1 meter. And then the next one, you need to change from minute to second. So in 1 minute, is equal to 60 seconds. How will we do it? Will be like, first we remove kilometer and kilometer. And then we will remove meter to meter, minute to minute. We will be times it up. So it will be 2.75 times 1000 times 3.28 and divided into 60. So it will be 9,020 divided into 60. Answer will be 150.33 feet per second. The unit of FPS is feet per second. And then the second example is 3.52 slug at feet square per second square. We need to change it to CGS system. So the first step, we need to change slug to kilogram. So it will be times 1 slug is 14.59 kilogram. One slug. And then we need to change from kilogram to gram, because in CGS system, the units of mass is gram. So it will be 1,000 gram divided into 1 kilogram. And then we need to change from feet to meter. We change it from feet to meter first. It will be 1 meter divided into 3.28 feet. Because in this question the feet is squared, so we need to square this. Units 2 will be squared. And then the next one, we need to change from centimeter, from 1 meter to centimeter. So it will be like 100 centimeter. Per 1 meter. Because it was distant, the distance in here was squared, so we need to square this too. It will be like this. We don't need to change second because in CGS system it's already second. So we remove slug to slug, and then kilogram to kilogram, feet to feet, meter to meter. So what we need is this will be changed into gram, and this will change into centimeter square. So we times it first. It will be 3.52 times 14.39. If we put feet, it will be 14.39, and then 1,000. 100 centimeter square. We divide it to 3.28. Okay. So it equals to 568 million divided to 328. So the answer is 477,36466.39 gram centimeter square per second square. Okay.